Ito guys, para naghuhugas kamay na lang. No? Naghuhugas kamay itong si John Vic Remulla. Diba ni-interview siya ni Pinky Webb kung sinong nagplano sa pagdakip kay Pangulong Duterte. Sabi niya, hindi lang ako. Nandun si Anyo, si Teodoro at ang presidente. Pero kahapon, yung tinanong siya ni Amy Marcos kung totoo ba yung sinabi niya sa video, parang hindi siya makasagot, no? Parang naghuhugas kamay kahit may video na hindi pa rin umaamin. No, grabe talaga, no? Grabe. Grabe talaga. Ganun na ba talaga laruin yung ating mga yung nakikita natin sa video? 'Di ba? Para lang madakip si Pangulong Duterte. No, but before ko i-play ang video, guys, please follow sa ating Facebook page Kugman Reaction Vlog, sa ating TikTok account Kugman Reaction Vlog at sa ating YouTube account Kugman Reaction Vlog. So hindi natin patatagalin to, guys. I-play na natin ang video. Play video.
In the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan ang galing yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me explain, first, ma'am.
Interview po eh.
Yes, ma'am. Let me explain first, ma'am.
May video now.
We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival.
Parang hindi yung ganun ang dating sa amin eh. Ang pagkaintindi namin,
that is the whole truth,
plano.
That is we were discussing rumors.
Rumors?
Go ahead,
patugtog na lang natin para maintindihan, ha?
Grabe talagang pagsisinungaling.
What was and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you
sa video.
And the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Teodoro was there. Secretary Anyo was there too. And the president and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira. I stand by that, ma'am. Last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Teodoro was working out of his office.
Napakaliwanag po nung sinabi ninyo. Wala namang mapakiyaw-kiyaw doon sa sinabi.
Yes, ma'am.
Patayin na muna natin. Napakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa, kahit ako ang kasama ng presidente nung nagsalita sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na ninyo sa TV.
I must state it very clear. As I stated very clear that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the president's statements were in